Hey everyone! So today we're going to be doing our second circuit, the foresight circuit. So the first thing that we're going to need is our sensor badge with our sensor badge circuit. We're going to be adding to this. The next thing, we're going to need some wire strippers. We are going to need all 4 color of wire. We are also going to need our second breadboard. Mine is green, yours is probably white. We are going to need 3 resistors. We're also going to need 3 LEDs. The color doesn't matter as long as you can tell which side is the long leg and which side is the short leg. We will need a 1 2-wire clip. We're also going to need our photoresistor. Photoresistor kind of looks like this. It's kind of a small thing. If you can't find it, it should be in your Ziploc bag. See in there, that's right where it is. So double check the Ziploc bag if you can't find it. And then finally, we're also going to be using our measuring tape. Okay. Let's get going. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to do is we are going to take our photoresistor and the 2-wire clip, and we're going to put the photoresistor inside the 2-wire clip. So the way the 2-wire clip works is if it has tabs here, and when you push down on the tab, it opens the channel and you can put a wire inside. So we're going to take one leg of our photoresistor, open up a tab, put it in, and then close, like let go, and it closes. And then do that for the other leg. Open up the tab, put it in, let it go, and close it. So now we have our photoresistor connected to our 2-wire clip. The next thing that we're going to need, and then we're going to put that to the side for now. We're going to need our white and our blue wires and our measuring tape. So we're actually going to be using the inches side of the measuring tape. Make sure that you're on the side that says inches. 60 in is inches, not the side that says centimeters. So we're going to unwrap our blue wire, and we're going to measure out 30 inches. So, just kind of unwrap it like this, and hold one side here at the 0, and just kind of stretch it out until, okay, right there is about 30 inches, right? So hold that there. It doesn't have to be exact. You can get it just about 30 inches. Then you're going to take your wire cutters or wire strippers and cut the wire, just like we did for the sensor badge. And now we're going to take our white, but We don't actually need the measuring tape anymore. You can use it again if you want, but the way that I like to do it is use the blue wire that I just cut to measure my white wire. So I'm just undoing my white wire like this, starting to unravel it, and then instead of using the measuring tape, I just put the blue wire like this, stretch it out, and there you go. Now they're just about the same length. Take my wire strippers and cut it. Now, before we do anything else, we're going to twist these wires together so that instead of kind of two wires flying all over the place, it'll act more like one wire. So I just started off, you know, kind of going like that. And when you twist it, you're going to want to get a couple twists in like this, and then pull the twist all the way down the rest of the wire. Otherwise, the other side will start to twist, and it'll get like it'll start to be harder and harder to twist it, right? So you get a couple twists in, you can see like the other side is starting to twist. So now we just pull this twist all the way through like that. This will take a little while, but not too long. You don't have to be super precise with your twisting. You can just kind of get it loosely twisted together. That's all you're going for. You're trying to make it so that the wires stay together. You know, it's really just so that they stay together and act almost as like one big wire instead of two smaller wires. So now that I am here, right, I've arrived. I've made it to the end. You might be wondering, well, why didn't you strip the wire? It's because we wanted to twist it first. So first we twist the wire, and now look at that. My entire wire is twisted. Let's strip both sides of both wires. So you should have a blue and a white, and a blue and a white both stripped. So remember, we're using the 0.035 and pull it. I actually stripped a little, like I should strip a little bit more. There we go. There we go. And the other side, 0.35. Great. Now we're looking good. Now let's bring back our wire clip, and we're going to take our white and blue wires. It doesn't matter which one goes to which. but we're going to put them just like we did with the photoresistor. We're going to open up the tab and put your white and your blue wires in. Now, those are actually connected, which is really cool. That's why these wire clips are really cool. Now let's bring it back down to our other end, and we're going to bring back in our sensor badge. So on the sensor badge, we're going to be putting the white and the blue wires on the opposite side from where your red and black wires are from your sensor badge. So over here, there should be a hole or a pin that says A0. We're going to put one of the wires into A0, and then two above that, going this way, there should be a GND. You're going to put the other wire into that. It doesn't really matter which wire you put into which, but I'm going to put the white into A0 and the blue into GND. Okay. You might need to untwist your wire just a bit, just to have enough room. So I'm going to put my white into A0 and my blue into GND. All right, that is the first part of this circuit. Good job.